Welcome! In today's video, we're going to look at how to prevent displaying GIFs on your profile in the Telegram app on PC after the latest update. If you want to keep your profile looking clean and private without showing who's been sending or receiving digital GIFs, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small lines stacked on top of each other. Click on those lines to open the main menu. Next, from that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to a new window where you can manage your account preferences. In the Settings list, go ahead and select Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram lets you control what others can see about your activity and your profile. Inside the Privacy and Security section, scroll down a bit until you find an option called GIFs. This is a newer addition that Telegram has introduced to make interactions more fun, but not everyone wants that feature visible. So, click on GIFs. Now you'll be able to decide who can see the GIFs displayed on your profile. To keep it completely private, choose the option Nobody. This will make sure that no one can see the GIFs you've received or sent. Once you've selected Nobody, don't forget to click Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the display of GIFs on your Telegram profile using the PC app. From now on, even if you receive or send a gift, it will not appear publicly on your profile.